Now this illustration still deals with raceway systems in accordance with the NEC Articles 342, 344, 348, 350, and 352. Now the wiring method that you see there is ENMT. And notice that we can heat it and bend it or use factory bends of 90s or 45s, whatever that we may have. But you know, we can heat and bend it. And as you see, it's bent in such a manner that you could support it to the surface side of the framing member to the right, where the arrow points the ENMT being supported to the side there. And then we come through the framing member, we hit a box, we support within 3 foot of the box, and then we just route it up and support it every 3 foot. So the supporting means for ENMT would be every 3 foot, within 3 foot of boxes and every 3 foot. But notice this wiring method is supported by the construction from physical damage. In other words, the framing members with the installation, as you see, protects the wiring method with the conductors pulled inside from physical damage, and that's what this illustration is showing, that we're using the framing members and the way the construction is to protect the wiring method from physical damage.